Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Frank. Today's video is about the mobile dust extractor. I have two mobile dust extractors here. Here is the CT Mini and the CT MIDI. The CT Mini has a capacity of 10 liters. The CT MIDI has a capacity of 15 liters. You can see that the CT Mini is somewhat smaller. The advantage of the Mini is that it's easier to transport and takes up less room in the vehicle. Yet the MIDI also has its advantages. It also comes in an M classification. Both extractors are, of course, in the L class. But the CT MIDI also comes in the M classification. I can use the M extractor at any point when I'm working with wood. Let's take a closer look at the M extractor. The Mini and MIDI have identical functions. There is a brake at the bottom. I can deactivate it by pressing it. This means that the small Mini is free to move. I can reactivate the brake. This raises it up again, as you can see here too. Let's take a look at how the extractor communicates with the battery machine. This is how it works. I'll switch off the extractor. The light at the top here is now off. I'll remove the battery pack. The battery pack has a Bluetooth symbol here, and I can use this to connect the battery to the extractor. This means that as soon as I turn the machine on, the extractor automatically turns on too. That's a great advantage. In this way, I'm more independent. If I need to, I can work with the suction hose and dust extraction. I'll insert the battery. I'll activate the extractor. The green light lights up. When I press the Bluetooth button, a blue light appears. I'll switch on the machine. As you can hear, the extractor starts up. That's the great advantage with integrated Bluetooth equipment. I can also connect a normal corded machine, as usual, via the electrical outlet module. Let's take a closer look at the extractor. Here is a control panel, which works using a touchscreen. When I touch the individual symbols, I can turn the extractor on or off and increase or decrease the suction power. The suction hose is fitted in the center of the extractor. It contains a chip. The chip informs the extractor which hose diameter is connected. Here, I've got an M-class extractor. For suction hoses without a chip, I'd have to set the hose diameter manually. In our case, the chip does that automatically. But both are possible. I'll turn the extractor side on. We can see several functions here. I'll start at the top first. There's a lever here. I can press it manually. It makes quite a loud noise. What does this part do? I'll switch on the extractor and press the lever again. Then you'll understand its function. You can hear that when I cover the suction hose, there is a higher vacuum. This functional part allows me to clean the machine. This is how the filter is cleaned, meaning the suction power stays for longer. We heard a short beep towards the end. This is a warning to the user that something isn't right. There is no flow volume. The extractor emits a sound which is required for a dust extractor to be M-class classified. A cartridge is integrated into the lower section. This makes it easy to remove, clean or replace the main filter. If I want to use the machine for water, I can replace the filter with a sponge filter. I'll insert it here. At the front, there is a slot for a suction hose if you want to use the blowing function. There is a cord holder at the back. This can be fitted, but doesn't have to be. I'll show it on the CT Mini. Here we have deliberately left off the cord holder. The cable is integrated into the top of the upper part. I've got enough space here, so I don't necessarily need a cord holder. But if I have fitted the cord holder, I can very easily wind my cable onto it. If I want to remove the cable, I can turn this component to the side. It's very easy now to remove the cable quickly from the holder. You've probably noticed the large lid. We've designed it like this deliberately. We want to enclose this area. This means we can put machines securely on top of it. A painter can also put paint on it when working. So this area can be useful. There is enough room inside to store the power cable and suction hose. System concepts are of the utmost importance at Festool. I can therefore put my sustainer on the top and fix it in place with the T-lock system. Most of you will already be familiar with this system. This is how the extractor and the machine case, our sustainer, are connected. It's very important to mention here that the connection also works with classic sustainers. The classic sustainers can be mounted using this fixing. As you can see, the CT MIDI is best used in combination with the Bluetooth battery machines. Of course, the mobile dust extractor can also be used with the normal standard machines. It is operated using the touchscreen panel. The extractor also has a very compact shape. I hope this has given you some interesting information about this extractor. I hope you'll tune in again soon. I'm Frank, thanks for watching, see you next time.